Okay, so Samsung's event is not anymore a week away, it's a few days, and we have a hands-on photo of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now, this is not the first time we're seeing this. Like, we already have seen a hands-on photo of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, but this time it's coming in a different color and we can see so many more things. Now, we know already that this year the crease is going to be much less visible. But that doesn't mean it will not have a crease or you may not be able to feel it or see it. It will still be there. And I don't know why Samsung is still not figuring things out. When you know that Samsung is the king of the foldables and 90% of the foldable phones are made by Samsung. But hey, Samsung still can figure things out. But anyway, the design, if you look at it, it's still very much Galaxy Z Flip 3 look. And that's no bad thing because the Z Flip 3 was very well received by people and it is one of the most popular foldable phone in the world. That's crazy. So Samsung isn't changing things drastically. Rather, they are improving the smaller things that makes the everyday user experience a much better experience. So this year, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have a much more wider feel to it because it is going to be wider. 165mm tall, 71.9mm wide and 7.2mm thick. Now, if you compare that with the Galaxy Z Flip 3, then it surely looks like a compact and much thicker phone than the Galaxy Z Flip 3. And that is because of one another thing. The battery life is actually going to be quite a bit better. And that was a complaint of everyone who owned the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or even the past flips. This year, it will have a 3700 mAh battery up from 3300 mAh battery of all the flip phones from Samsung. So that's good. But what about the charging? Well, we haven't heard that it will have a 45 watt fast charging or so. It will still stick to the 25 watt fast charging. To know more, you can subscribe to this channel. I will upload a video on that. Anyway, the outer screen this year is still gonna be the same kind of form factor, but it will be a bit bigger. 2.1 inches up from 1.9 inches of the current model. The main screen though, it's still sticking to the same thing, but just a bit wider. 6.7 inch 120Hz OLED panel. And if you are asking where is the fingerprint scanner, well, it's still not underneath the screen, it's still on the power button. Now aside from that, we know it will come in quite a bit of color options: Bora purple, graphite, beige and light blue. If you are considering that these are the only color options, I don't like them, well, you have something called Bespoke Edition. And there Samsung will offer you tons of color options. In the past, we have heard Samsung will offer 30 plus color options for each panel. That means you will have up to 900 plus customization options. In the recent video, I showed you that in the UK, it will at least come in about 70 plus customization options. But other than that, you're not going to see a massive improvements in cameras. It's going to be almost identical sensors. Maybe the software would be a little different. The phones will come with Android 12 out of the box, so Android 13 will hit these phones the first, but hey, we have to wait till then. And the biggest improvement coming is in the form of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 manufactured by TSMC using their own 4M process node. Now this is gonna be a massive improvement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So compare it with the 888 of the Flip 3. This year the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 will offer 10% CPU performance and 10% GPU performance over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 with 30% power efficiency in both the fronts. So that's actually crazy improvement. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, are you really hyped about the Galaxy Z Flip 4? Or you probably be waiting for the Galaxy Z Fold 4? You can check out my recent video on that. Hey, I will take a few seconds to introduce to you my latest wallpaper pack, Agate. Now, these are insanely sharp, beautiful, high-resolution 8K wallpapers made for desktops, laptops, tablets, and your smartphones. You can visit the link in the description to check out. And yeah, you can also subscribe to my website for exclusive discounts. Or simply, you just can visit my website, joindavid.com, for latest tech news that matter. Until the next one, bye and take care.